guys, welcome to Material Secret. I'm Savory. Today's topic is about the genuine leather with plain grain. Okay, let's go to the chase. Plain grain leather has clear texture in pore and it has natural leather smell. Its smooth touch makes furniture more skin-friendly and comfortable. Plain grain leather is utilized in sofa, chair, and bed. It can be perfectly integrated in kinds of interiors with different styles. Let's see this set of Cassiopeia sofa. It uses full plain grain leather for body and hard leather for armrest, which presents classic and elegant feeling. Thanks guys for watching all. Let's talk about other materials next time. If you are interested in our content, please subscribe below and click on the small bell. Okay, that's for all today. Bye!